have been involved, but I was not involved in questioning her at all.
Okay. Looking back on the interview, if you had been involved, could you have assisted them?
I believe so.
Okay, and who were the people that were in the interview room?
Objection Foundation?
Well, if you want to have a foundation, if he
Okay.
knows.
There were, when she was interviewed, there were a number of detectives in there, correct?
I believe so.
Do you know any of the detectives that were in there?
Yes.
Okay, and did you have an opportunity to talk to them about your ability to assist them in her story?
Prior to that?
Yes.
No, I did not have an
Were
opportunity.
you aware that she was doing that prior to
No.
her story?
I was not aware until after it had already taken place.
Okay, so they didn't and were you the digital expert for this case at that time?
Yes.
Okay, so what, if anything, did they do to get information from you to make it a more accurate questioning of Juliana Perez Magalhaes?
I wasn't able to provide them anything because I didn't know what was happening.
Okay, and no one told you that?
Correct.
Okay. The digital forensics, no, so you were transferred, correct?
Yes.
When did that occur?
Roughly a year ago.
Okay, okay, and what you're doing now is a different form of digital forensics?
Objection asked and answered?
Overruled, allow it since.
I'm using the same skill sets, yes.
Okay, but you don't get involved in cases like this anymore in digital forensics?
No.
Okay. When you were still within digital forensics, were you ever asked to change your executive summary that we've looked at?
To change it,
Yes.
I was asked to review it in light of the proffer.
Okay. Were you ever asked to go line by line and fix the conclusions?
Objection leading?
What, if anything, were you ever asked regarding your digital forensics executive summary?
To review it in light of the proffer and ensure I could explain what I had put in that executive summary.
And did you do that?
I reviewed it.
Okay. Was there a change in this document based upon that review?
Like I said, the zeros and ones did not change.
Okay. Is that why you were transferred?
I can't speak to the exact motives behind a transfer.
So, okay. So you were never told why you were transferred?
There was a discussion about the transfer, yes.
Was it related to your executive summary?
It was related to my work in the Banfield case.
Okay, and your work in the Banfield case, is it fair to say that it was,
Objection leading?
was there any other work in the Banfield case other than digital forensics for you?
For me, no.
Okay. So let's go through that document if we can. Can you still see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Looking at the January 18th until February 23rd discussions in your report. Do you stand by those same conclusions in those bullet points?
As far as the activity of the devices, yes.
Okay, and the ones and the zeros?
Yes.
And so the only thing that changes that section, and I can keep scrolling if you need to see it, is the fact that,
Judge, I'm sorry, can counsel explain where specifically in the document he's referencing?
the section of January 18th until February 23rd, 2023. Should be on the screen. I scrolled up to it.
Judge, I see a section titled 1219 to 224.
At the very top of the screen, he has the dates.
I see, thank you.
Okay,
I was just trying to include that whole
that's
section.
fine. I think she was just looking on her laptop, too.
Okay. Is there anything of the ones and zeros, the binary language, that's changed in that portion of this summary?
No, the data extractions remain the same.
Okay. So the only change is that the co-defendant gave a different story.
Additional evidence came to light, yes.
Is that the additional evidence?
Yes.
Okay. Do you see the section that says February 18th, 2023?
Yes.
It says starting at 22:44 hours, Christine utilized her
Judge, I'm going to
CB.
object to reading from the document. He can question the
All
witness.
right, I'll sustain the objection.
Okay, do you, that statement that I was just starting to read, is that still the same?
As far as what the device was doing or the account was doing, yes.
Okay. And the only change that would change that would be that Juliana Perez Magalhaes changed her story.
Yes.
Okay. Let's look at February 19th, 2023. Have you read those 3 bullet points?
Yes.
Okay. And same question. Is there anything that has changed regarding the ones and zeros, as we talked about, in that section?
No, the data remains the same.
Data remains the same. And have you ever heard the term digital forensics don't lie, people lie?
I've heard it.
Have you ever heard it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, talking about February 19th, the only thing that's changed is Juliana Perez Magalhaes has changed her story, correct?
Yes, the data remains the same.
Data remains the same. (219) to 2023, February 19th, until February 24th, 2023. This references telegram communications. Do those items remain the same?
Yes, the data did not change.
Okay, so I don't want to put words in your mouth, but pretty much everything is the data hasn't changed, correct?
Correct. Context did.
Context, and the context is in the form of recantation of Juliana Perez Magalhaes.
Yes.
Okay. And your conclusion? Same thing?
Yes, sir.